Livestock market had a pretty good day on Thursday, while grains, not so much. Michelle Rook is back with more in Markets Now.
Well, mostly lower day in the grains on Thursday, with the exception of July beans. And Mike Miner is with us to visit about that. And let's talk about the grains first of all. We've kind of continued for the last few sessions to run up into some chart resistance, right?
Yeah, we have. Corn market specifically, we had a friendly Friday WASDE report, and then we kind of bounced higher for a couple days, and now we're taking some more off time, kind of rally or kind of fall back to this 20-day moving average. So that July's bounced right off of it, kind of closed right on top of it today. Or yesterday it did there. So I'm looking forward to seeing how it reacts around this 457 to 453 type level on July corn. And if we can find some support there after this correction, after a WASDE report found a little friendly, that'll be really interesting for me to watch going forward anyways around this level.
But, is this topping action, do you think, Mike?
It could be. If you look back in towards 2014, further back at the last time we were in a similar cycle, we did peak these grain markets at the end of April, beginning of May, in the low fives. So it would be a very similar time frame of the year, very similar chart pattern. You certainly could, and especially as we make this transition from planning progress being a little bit slower than normal and having that support along with a little friendly WASDE report. Now we're starting to shift towards, well, rain makes grain, and we're going to watch the forecast going out because farmers are good at what they do, and they've done an awesome job of getting the crop in so far.
Yeah, so rain makes grain kind of trumps any planting delays that we might have. And we really need a bigger weather story for us to get above those resistance levels that we hit, huh?
We really do. And I think the next time, if we could get some short covering going forward, that next shot higher, we probably could go up and try to fill some of those gaps around that 502 on the December corn or closer to that 1240 area on November soybeans. So those would be two of the areas I'd be watching on this next go round to short covering off some weather premium, whether it be the United States or Russia or Brazil. Those will be a few things to watch going forward.
Thanks so much. Mike Miner with Professional Ag Marketing, and we'll have more AgDay coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.